Hi, today's tour includes an illuminated Nijo Castle and Shinsen-en, the aristocratic garden where the emperor began holding cherry blossom viewing parties in 812. Nijo Castle is illuminated from 6 p.m. onwards, so we set the time at Shinsen-en Garden until then. A pair of pigeons also come to worship. It is said that if you make a wish to the Dragon King while crossing this bridge, your wish will come true. This is a mirror pond of the heart. It is said that when we look at our face reflected in the pond, we can see our emotions. It was time to go to Nijo Castle. I'm looking forward to seeing how these cherry blossoms will be light up later. It's getting dark. From here, you can enjoy the illuminated walls, cherry blossoms, and sand. Nijo Castle is lit up at irregular intervals, and there are festivals and events you can enjoy. Online tickets with English translations are also available. The children cheer as the dragon appears. The illuminated Caramon Gate is an important cultural property. In addition to auspicious motifs such as cranes, turtles, and butterflies, the gate also features carving of dragons, tigers, and Chinese lions, making it interesting to view during the day. Did you enjoy the combination of historical architecture and project mapping? Please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching until the end. See you again soon!